I decided to buy a vintage Louis Vuitton bag from Japan. I got it on eBay, and the reason is because they are so much cheaper in Japan, and I believe I had a look at all the pictures, it's meant to be authentic. This is the first time I'm opening it, and it's not really good condition. I know there's imperfections, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to go for it, to basically test out buying some bag from Japan. So this is the first time I'm opening it, so let's open it together. I did have to pay import duty or tax or whatever, so I ended up paying 20% VAT on this item. It also charged me £12 to pay it for me, and then I pay them. So I don't know if I can get that money back or anything. It was about £70, and I will tell you the bag value and what I paid for it after. Very well packaged. I'm actually really nervous now. I hope it's okay. Okay, so far so good. So can you guess what it is? Oh, I'm a bit worried. So this is the Louis Vuitton Montsouris and this bag is retailing at the moment, just making sure it smells okay, it's retailing at the moment for about £2,600, and I know that if I bought it I would be like wearing it a lot, so I didn't see the point of buying it brand new. So this is the bag. So it needs a good clean, so I'm going to try and clean it myself with the leather, which I practiced on one of my other Louis Vuitton bags. So there is like a mark here, and there are some marks on the leather here. As you can see here, it is quite marked, but I'm going to try and clean this up. Looking at other bags for the similar price range, and I wanted one, I didn't mind it being dirty or the leather being, discolored or uneven. I just wanted to make sure that there was no cracks in the leather, and for that price, for the price range, this one had no cracks in the canvas, no cracks in the leather. It feels real and not fake, so I think it is definitely authentic. The stitching is all perfect, the marking's fine. There is like a storage smell to it, and they did say that, so there is some greeny things here, so I don't know how I'm going to clean that up. I will have to see what I can do. So I believe this is from 2001 or 2. The inside is actually very clean. It's actually fine inside, so it seems very clean. There's no mold or anything. There is this little pouch here, so that's clean as well. They've got a little hook thing here, so inside is actually really good condition. There is some markings here which I'm going to try and clean up. So yeah, the strap around also seems fine. Really good condition. So basically what needs doing is to basically get rid of this or polish it up if you can. So there's no breakage anywhere. The straps are nice and strong, and clean up the leather and try and even it out. I don't mind if it's darker. The buckles here are good as well. So the zippers also all working fine. So underneath in the photos, there was a white mark, and I had no idea what this was. I thought it was paint, but I was like, or a chip in the leather, the vachetta, and I thought I could live with it, but it's actually a sticker. So I think I got really lucky because it's just come off. And there's some more markings here, which I think the white marks can come off. So yeah, no breaks in the leather. It's very good condition. It needs a good clean and a good scrub, and then hopefully, I will be able to have this as my summer bag, my holiday bag. And there is the date code as well, so Yes, I have no questions about the authenticity. It's definitely authentic. I have given it a good wipe and the white mark, so it's already looking better. The green bits on here has come off. There was some white marks also which have come off. There was a mark at the back which has come off. And that's just from a quick wipe with a like 99% water baby wipe. So I got this for, I can't remember the dollars, but it was about £250. And we negotiated an offer and they accepted the offer. So it brought it down to about £220 or something, or the equivalent. And then I got further coupon on top of this. So basically it was about £200. A shame about the import tax, VAT, whatever, because that added on about £60, but it's still really good value for what this is, considering the good condition of it and that it's better than I thought it would be. I was looking to buy it from the UK and the prices were about £400 to £500 for something of similar quality. So for me, it made sense to buy it from Japan. And yeah, let's follow along to see how I clean it up.